Today we have a 2003 Toyota Solara with a 3.0 liter. We're going to be replacing the thermostat in it. So first things first, you want to get this air cleaner out the way. There are three 10mm bolts holding this down. There are two 10mm nuts holding this wire harness. There is a, I think, 13mm bolt right there. Unplug this coolant temp sensor connector and wiggle this harness out the way. Then there is a 10mm bolts and two nuts holding the thermostat housing in. Get a pry bar in there if you have to break it free. The thermostat might be a little stuck, so you got to use a little bit of force. Stick in the thermostat with a gasket like so. Wiggle that housing back on there. It's real tight in there, so I used a socket and extension. Make sure they are nice and tight. Get that harness back on the studs and tighten it down. Make sure to not forget about the vacuum hoses that connect to that box. Now you want to top off the coolant, of course, and give it a pressure test. The cap didn't say how much PSI, but I just went with the general 16 pounds of pressure. While it's pressurized, just double check your work, and that'll wrap it up for this video.